Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang stagecoach problem. Oke, perkenalkan nama saya Salika Sistakudia dari NIM 1020824086 dari kelas S1 Teknik Industri 08B. The stagecoach problem is a problem specially constructed to illustration the future and introducing the terminology of dynamic programming. At corner, a mythical future in history would decide to go west to join the gold rush in California during the mid-19th century. The journey was traveling by stagecoach through unsettled country where there was serious fear of attack by marauders. Although his starting point and destination were fixed, he had considerable choice as to which states to travel through en route. The possible routes and a showing in Fig. 10.0 where each state is set by a serial letter and the direction of travel is always from left to right in the diagram. His first stage we are traveling for his point of embarkation in state A to his destination California. This fortune seeker was a prudent man who was quite cornered about his safety. After some trouble, he came up with a rather clever way of doing this safe route. Life insurance policies were offered to stagecoach passengers because the cost of the policy for taking any given stagecoach was based on the careful evaluation of the safety of the run. The safety route should be the one with the cheapest total life insurance policy. The cost for the standard policy on the stagecoach run for stage I to stage G, which will be denoted by CIG is a follow. Ini gambarnya. The road system occurs for the stagecoach problem expression below. Ini gambar 10.1 solving the problem. For the stage problem, we start with the small problem where the fortune seeker has nearly completed his journey and has only one more stage to go. The obvious optimal solution for this small problem is to go from his current state to his ultimate destination. At each subsequent iteration, the problem is unaltered by increasing by one the number of stages left to go complete the journey. For the annulled problem, the optimal solution for where to go next from each possible state can be found relatively easy from the result obtained at the preceding iteration. The details involved in implementing this approach follow. Solving the problem formulation. Yang pertama itu adalah decision variable xn dalam kurung n sama dengan 1, 2, 3, 4 be the immediate destination on the stage and the end stage codes run to be taken. Yang kedua itu adalah let P n dalam kurung S xn be the total cost of the base overall policy for the remaining states given that the fortune seeker in the state S ready to steer Start stage N and select Xn as the immediate destination. Yang ketiga itu ada given as and let Xn. Ini gambarannya. Lalu the value of Csxn is given by the presentable for Cij by setting I sama dengan S, J sama dengan Xn. Karena the ultimate destination is reset at the end of stage 4 sama dengan F5, J sama dengan 0. Ini solution produknya stage 4. Ini untuk stage 3-nya. Where the fortune seeker has 2 more stage to go and sama dengan 3. Untuk contohnya, suppose the fortune seeker in state F. Selanjutnya, X depicted in the figure. He must next go to either state H or A at an immediate cost of CF, H dengan 6 or CF, I sama dengan 3 respectively. Next, solution product stage 3 ini kayak gini. Oke, untuk selanjutnya itu ada solution product stage 2. The solution for the second stage problem n sama dengan 2 where there are their stage to go is obtained in a similar fashion. In the case F2 dalam kurung S, X2 sama dengan CS, X2 sama dengan F3 kali X2 for the example, suppose that the fortune seeker in the stage C as depicted below. Ini contoh gambarnya. Untuk solution product stage 2, making similar calculation when you start from state B or D, try it. The following result for the N sama dengan 2 problem ini, N2-nya. In the first and third row of this table, note the E, F, the main thing, so independent destination from either state B or D, solve Px2 sama dengan E or P. Ini untuk solution produce stage 1 kayak gini. Making the conclusion, an optimal solution for the entire problem can now be identified from the 4 table results for the N1 problem. Indicate the fortune seeker should go immediately to either state C or state D. Suppose that he goes X1 sama dengan C. Ini stage 1, stage terima kasih.